Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix power on problem in your Redmi smartphone. So let's start the video friends. So as you can see, if your smartphone is switched off and if you are trying to turn on your device and it is not turning on, you can do one simple step. Is that first you have to discharge your smartphone completely. If you have any battery left, just keep pressing the power button or anything you can do to drain your battery. You have to just wait for 1 to 2 days, and then you have to drain all the battery and charge your smartphone for at least 1 to 2 hours, and then you have to put the charger so it will start your smartphone. And if it is not starting, just put the charger in the type C port and press all three buttons: volume up button, volume down button, and power on off button, and press all three buttons continuously so it will turn on device. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.